Unlocking the sky, the power of altitude advantage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, altitude advantage. This term might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how you can use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Altitude advantage refers to the superior position or condition gained by being at a higher elevation compared to something else. It's a term often used in aviation, military strategy, and even in sports or everyday situations where being higher up is beneficial. The key here is understanding that altitude means height or elevation, and advantage means a beneficial position or condition. So, when combined, altitude advantage highlights the benefits of being higher up. Let's dive into some examples to see how altitude advantage is used in different contexts. In aviation, pilots seek altitude advantage to have a better overview of the terrain and to be in a safer position relative to other aircraft or obstacles. In sports, in basketball, a player might have an altitude advantage when they're taller than their opponents, making it easier to score. In everyday life, if you're trying to find someone in a crowded place, standing on a higher spot gives you an altitude advantage, helping you spot them more easily. Now that we know what it means and have seen some examples, let's put altitude advantage into action. Here are a few sentences to get you started. The hilltop fortress had a significant altitude advantage, making it nearly impregnable during the medieval times. During the debate, she had an altitude advantage because she had prepared thoroughly, standing above her competitors with her well-crafted arguments. As a drone photographer, he always looks for the altitude advantage to capture the best aerial shots. And that wraps up our journey through the skies with altitude advantage. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what the term means and how you can use it in your conversations or writings. Remember, English is full of fascinating phrases just waiting to be explored. Keep learning, and don't be afraid to elevate your language skills to gain your own advantage. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.